Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone alarm sound not working issue on after 17.4.1 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of alarm sound. That the alarm sound is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, it is a very common issue and many iPhone users are facing this. But don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix iPhone alarm sound not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is check your volume settings. Make sure that the volume on your iPhone is turned up. You can check the volume level by using the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone or by simply going to the control center. So guys, after this, you have to do is simply check your alarm volume. Ensure that alarm volume is set to an audible level. You can adjust the alarm volume separately from the ringer volume by going to the clock app. Then simply go to the clock app on your iPhone. Now simply tap on alarm. Now tap on edit. And after this, in the upper left corner, tap on plus. After this, now tap on sound and select any one of them. After selecting the iPhone alarm, then you have to do is simply check your silent mode switch. Make sure that the silent mode switch, also known as ring silent switch, on the side of your iPhone is not set to silent mode. When the switch shows orange, it means your iPhone is in silent mode and it won't make any sound, including alarm. So you have to make sure that it's turned off. After these steps, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I would suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone alarm sound not working issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.